The Tribit FlyBuds 3. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at another budget pair of earbuds, the Tribit FlyBuds 3. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, Type-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips and ear hooks. You'll probably notice that these have a similar look to the MPOW M30 Plus that I have reviewed in the past, if not identical in design. The FlyBuds 3 features 5 hours of listening time, 100 hours with the case. It takes 1.5 hours to fully charge the earbuds and 2 hours for the case. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, 2600 mAh power bank, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX7 waterproof. The case is on the larger side due to the battery. It has a matte finish all around with the branding on the top and a glossy accent in the middle. On the front of the case, you'll find the status LEDs along with a multi-function button. Opening the front flap, you have access to the USB-C charge port and the USB-A port for charging other devices. The lid is very light and it opens and closes smoothly. Earbuds are secured into place by magnets and they're easy to grip and remove from the case. You can see the ear markings etched in inside. Again, these are very similar to the MPOW Plus in look and feel. Matte finish all around with the ear markings on the inside, and on the outer face it has a simple look with the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips and ear hooks, charging contacts, LED, touch control, and microphone. Here they are side by side. Navigating playback and call controls is just a few taps to get the desired function. The case comes in at 3.3 by 2.1 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at 92 grams and the earbuds come in at 9 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Tribit FlyBuds 3 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone quality is fair, nothing exceptional. Other parties had no issues hearing me during calls. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Tribit FlyBuds 3. They felt comfortable and it created a good secure fit. I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals, and the touch controls are a definite plus. The overall fit is definitely in line with the MPOW M30 Plus. Build and quality is solid. It is on the larger end due to the battery, as I mentioned earlier, but it feels durable along with the earbuds. Touch controls are not overly sensitive and responded well. The earbuds don't protrude out once seated in your ears. Battery life is excellent, coming in at 5 hours and 100 hours with the case. Having the power bank feature to charge devices is great, and the IPX7 rating will protect you from the elements. Now when it comes to sound, I would say it's very similar to the MPOW M30 Plus, with just some minor differences. The bass comes in pronounced, deep, and punchy. Definitely not lacking or overwhelming. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, and it's a bit forward. Vocals and instruments do stand out, and you may have picked up some of the details in the sound samples. The MPOWs, I feel, have just a bit more energetic sound, and the bass is dialed up a notch. Overall, these have tremendous value for its price point. The battery life is excellent, and the sounds will not disappoint. It is budget friendly as well. So that is my review of the Tribit FlyBuds 3 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.